I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble accessing your Yahoo Mail, follow these steps to get back in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from accessing your email. Step 2. Clear your browser cache. If you're using a web browser, clearing the cache can resolve loading issues. Go to your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Step 3. Reset your password. If you suspect your password might be the issue, use the forgot password link on the sign-in page to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with Yahoo Mail. Try disabling them temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Check Yahoo's service status. Visit Yahoo's official service status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the email service. If there are, you may need to wait until they are resolved. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve your access issue. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.